Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, showing you today this approved used Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE, finished here in a royal grey metallic paint. Before we continue, make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras. In the front, you enjoy these stylish looking LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, whilst around the side these 20-inch satin dark grey 10-spoke alloy wheels will also finish off the look. In the rear, the story is no different, with signature-shaped LED tail lights on offer, as well as prominent and stylish decals around the sides, and even the addition of a panoramic fixed glass roof. For easy access, you enjoy keyless entry and start with a power-operated liftgate, revealing a practical load area that can be extended further thanks to 40-20-40 folding split seats. Inside the cabin, there's bright light oyster leather upholstery and lock seating for 3 in the back, with their own air vents and USB chargers underneath the guise of this fixed glass roof. Whilst in the front, the stylish decorative door and dash insets continue, with upgraded front seats that offer full electric adjustment. The driver can further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel, as well as paddle shifts for a dynamic drive and interactive drive display digital dashboard. PV Pro connected touchscreen in the center offers 2-zone climate control, heated wired front windscreen, and even selectable functions for the all-wheel drive system, whilst built-in sat-nav will always ensure you never get lost, and FM and DAB radio will let you find your favorite stations. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projections are available with heated front seats, as well as a host of other vehicle functions that are also on offer. Helping you park is the addition of a 3D surround parking camera that has been upgraded, offering visibility all around to give you plenty of reassurance. Down below, you also enjoy a wireless induction charger and overhead easy controls to operate the electric sunshade blind, letting in plenty of natural light during the hot summer months. This has been a presentation of the approved used Range Rover Velar that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.